Fire escape summary, fire escape engineer inspection summary video. This is CJ Moses. Here we are, a 5-story fire escape in the Portland, Oregon area. And what we have here is a 5-story, like I said, all original hardware fire escape. And let me talk about some of the problems that I already found here. Let's start off with our railing connections. Okay, most of my railing connections are already pulling away from the wall. They're spalling. There's a lot of gap. There's an opening here that if I was to do, first of all, I would not do a load test in this fire escape. But in the event that the load test was required, this would have to be clean and repaired prior to the load test. Now we also have a lot of these clips. Again, original hardware by having the square head bolt here. These have a lot of rust in between, and these are about to fall off. So clean this up, remove the rust, replace the bolt. We have rust accumulated throughout the C-channel, and then some of the evidence downstairs that I found is the C-channel has been, the rust has eaten part of the C-channel, and we actually see through it. There's some photos on the first, second floor that I already took showing that. Let's talk about the railing. Regional hardware, here's your square head bolts, okay, and also combination with rivets. We have rivets here. So as I keep going throughout this fire escape, I'm noticing original hardware throughout the fire escape, rust accumulating on the angles, and either the angles, the outside angles have rust, and then the connection. Now this connection, as you can see, is not too bad, but you have an opening still here, but most of these are in bad shape. Let's talk about the fireman's ladder. Basically what we have is a ladder that it's bolted to the fire escape, bolted when it needs to be joined, and these runs are solid runs, and they actually go punched through this stock metal. So it comes out here and it was welded here, so at least it goes through the metal, and it's not just welded here, it goes through it, so it makes it a little more secure. Again, in order to certify this, I would have to load test this ladder or these runs, or duplicate this connection with another clip here if that was the case. So as I go down the staircase, what I have here, again, let's continue talking about the square head bolts, and the way this staircase is connected is by these bolts here, up here, and then down below. But as I walk down this fire escape, one of the things I've noticed is this fire escape at one point, these treads, instead of repairing the treads and cleaning the rust, they were welded. A lot of these treads have been welded to kind of fix temporarily the problem. So as I go through down the fire escape, it's the same problem over again. In order to fix this tread, what we need to do is cut it. Basically is remove the old rivets, remove this, cut this weld, pop two brand new holes, but before that clean up this excessive rust, silicone shot, 2 new bolts, and seal it together. Let's talk about the pipes. We have your standard 1/4 inch and a quarter round pipe, hollow, that is well throughout the fire escape, and then we have them connected to bolts. Now this is a screw, not a bolt. It should be on top like the other ones are, so kind of Mickey Mouse repair there. Let's talk about these clips, the staircase. So like I said, above they were connected above it, over, and then below here we have these clips that they're supposed to be bolted to this landing, and you can see here, you actually can see a lot of the rust eating away this angle here. Now this bolt it's a square head bolt, which means it's the original. There's a lot of rust here, which they came in and welded around it to avoid to clean the weld. So these would have to be removed, cleaned, and put it back together. And most likely here, in order to fix this problem, like I mentioned before, there's a lot more problems down below showing you you see through the angle. It would have to be sandwiched together. These angles sandwiched together to double up the support to straighten this angle here. Okay, I don't know exactly what they did here. Looks like they were short, so I don't know why they put this plate further away instead of joining it together. So I don't know exactly what they did here, but that needs to be fixed. As I keep walking down, and again, the problems repeat one after the other one. Okay, so I'm going to end this video right here. This video does have a cantilever, all welded cantilever. So these cantilever would have to be, and I have shots of that. All the connections of the cantilever have to be duplicated with bolts to verify those welds. In order to verify those welds, But this fire escape in the condition that we have right now, I will not do a load test as in condition that it is. Spot repairs will have to be done prior to a load test, or to avoid the load test, a full refurbishment, it needs to be done on this fire escape in order to be a certified fire escape. If you have any questions, please call 1-800-649-3333. 1-800-649-3333. This is Fire Escape Engineers Inspection Summary Video.